Hello guys, we are back with our next lecture. In this lecture, let us start with the next question. That is a GATE CSE 2017 set 1 question number 8 guys. Okay, yes. So this is also a code based question. Okay, so consider the C code fragment given below, assuming that M and N points to valid null terminal linked list invocation for of just will. So what it will do? Okay, so we are having two linked list. So let me take a small example. So this is our M list. So let us assume this as our M list. So here it is a null. Okay, similarly we are having N list, that is nothing but a 3 and 4. Okay, so now let us start running the code. Okay, so here they just gave the structure guys, that is nothing but it is having a structure of int and node star n. Okay, yes, and void joint. Okay, so it is nothing but joint. So indirectly from the name only you can say that it is going to joint something, m to n or n to m or something, right? Yes, so let us understand the code. So basically what it is doing, it is creating a pointer and storing the value of n. So basically this address is being stored in p. So basically if the address is 6000 here, so that 6000 is now in p. Okay, or p is directly pointing to this indirectly. Okay, yes. So the next thing what we are doing is p's next is not equal to null. Until then we are going to p equal to p's next. So basically we are making this a travel to the end node guys. So now it is there. Okay, so once we reached the end, we are simply adding p's next is equals to m. So what is the address of m? We are directly adding that to here. So basically this is now connected to here and this null value is replaced. Okay, so now what has exactly happened guys? So the list m has been appended to n, right? Yes. So now our list is nm in simple words, right? Yes. So let us check the options. So option A appends list m to list n. Yes, this is what exactly I told you, right? Hence that is the correct answer. Anyway, let us check the rest answers also. So either causes a null pointer dereference or append list m to the end of the list n. Okay, so that's wrong, right? Yes. Similarly, causes a null pointer dereference for all inputs. No. So this is absolutely wrong, to be clear. So appends list n to the end of the list m for all inputs. So it is the reverse operation. So this is also wrong. But I am getting a bit skeptical about this B operation. So either causes a null pointer defragment, okay, dereference, or appends list m to n. So this second part is okay. But what is this first part trying to say? So what if one of them is a null guys? So there is no list only. Okay, so even at that time that will be linked to that null only, right? Yes, hence we will be having the A only will be the answer guys. So just give me a second, I will just cross checking it. Yeah, A is the answer. Okay, yes. So I hope everyone got a clear idea on this question, right? Yes. So in the next lecture, let us continue with the next question. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe for more awesome videos like this. Thank you.